going to cast this in aluminum. Basically, going to fill this up to a certain point, get an impression here, then put another box on top of it, take that, compress it all in here, then split the form back open, take this out, and then pour the molten metal in one hole and it will come out the other. So I made this burner out of some pipe and stuff, and it's got a jet, a welding tip jet in the middle. And what happens is the gas goes through here, and the air gets sucked in here, and it just makes a badass flame. And basically what I've got in here is a crucible made out of a fire extinguisher, and it's in there, and that's where the metal's going to get melted. I stick it in a hole in the side at the bottom. I'll just add cans and more metal as it melts. And I'll put my mold right here, then I'll pour the metal into it and then break the mold. Okay, let it cool for about half an hour, and now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what happens. Nasty. Still pretty hot. That's basically it. I'll let that cool. Clean all this off, take these off, take this off. You can see that's where I poured the metal in. It filled the cavity, then it popped up here. And this will all be polished up and look real cool.